friends, welcome to Amara Cuisine. This is Vasanti. Today's recipe is aloo capsicum curry. I'm going to make it in a bit different way. Now let's see the ingredients. 1 chopped capsicum, 2 tomatoes I have boiled and made it into puree, 2 boiled and diced potatoes, half teaspoon jeera, salt according to taste, 1 and half to 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, chopped coriander, 2 small green chilies, 1 small sized chopped onion. Oil according to the use. Now it's time to pat the potatoes dry. I have already boiled, peeled and diced the potatoes into small pieces. You can dice them into any shape. I'm using cotton cloth to dry the potatoes as the cotton cloth absorbs the moisture. And now we are going to deep fry the potatoes. Add potato pieces to hot oil and cook them on a medium flame. Fry them until they become slight brown in color. It just takes 5 minutes. As you can see, potatoes has become slight brown in color and now we can remove them from the oil. Place the pan on the stove. Now add oil to the pan. Here I am using 1 and half to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add cumin seeds. Next add green chilies. Here I have taken 2 small size green chilies. Now add onions. I have taken 1 small sized onion and chopped them into small pieces. Cook the onions until they become transparent. It takes few seconds. As you can see, the onions became transparent. Now add curry leaves. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now add turmeric powder. Give it a mix. And next we are going to add tomato puree. Here I have taken tomatoes and boiled them, peeled them and made it into puree. Cook this until oil gets separated from the puree. It takes few minutes. As you can see, oil got separated from the puree. Now it's time to add masalas. Add coriander powder, amchur powder, jeera powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, salt according to the taste, and mix all the ingredients together. After this, add capsicum to this masala. Mix it well with the masalas. And now place the lid and let the capsicum cook for few minutes. As you can see, the capsicum got cooked and now it's time to add deep fried potatoes. You can also add water. Add coriander. Here I am making dry version of aloo capsicum curry. You can also add water if needed. Let it cook for some time. As you can see, our aloo capsicum curry is ready. We can serve the aloo capsicum curry now. It goes well with chapatis or pulkas. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video with a new recipe.